Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a bump chart using Tableau. So what is a bump chart? A bump chart is used to show the progression of value or dimension with respect to another dimension over time. They are very useful for exploring the changes in the rank of a value over a time dimension or place dimension or some other dimension relevant to the analysis. The bump chart takes two dimensions with zero or more measures. There are mainly 7 steps to be followed to create a bump chart. In the step 1, to start creating a bump chart, open a new worksheet in your Tableau desktop or whichever version of Tableau you are using. Firstly, we need to add two dimensions and a measure. In the second step, right click on the sums field to access option for it. From the drop down list, we select a quick table calculations option and select rank. Next, we right click on the sums field to access option for it. From the drop down list, we select the option compute using and then select region as our criteria for computing. This will arrange lines of a line chart according to the ranks of their data points. In the next step, we duplicate our measures. This will give us two separate line charts as shown in the above screenshot. In order to create a bump chart, we need to convert mark type of second line chart measure. We change the mark type of these measures from lines to circles. Select the option circle from the drop down list of mark types. In the next step, now so far we have two different charts, one showing the data trends by a line and another showing data points by circles and ranks on them. To make a bump chart, we need to merge these two charts together. With this step, our bump chart is ready. Here, we made bump chart in the Tableau to show year-wise sales for 4 regions and the progression of their ranks with respect to each other over the areas.
Hello everyone. As we have already seen how to generate the bump charts in step-wise procedure, now let us implement it in the Tableau public. As I have already imported the dataset which is the superstore, now the first step is to take the dimensions into the columns and measure values into the rows. In dimensions, take the order date into the columns row and then click on the measure values. It can generate the some items. Now take only the sales into the rows and then remove the measure names. Now if you want to have the duplicate of the sales, to create the duplicate of the sales, now repeat the same procedure as clicking on the measure values. It generates some items. Now drag the sales into the row and then remove the measure values. As we want only the sales of the measure values, we are removing the measure values in the row shelf and then take back the measure values. Now to differentiate which which part of the country have high sales or low sales, we are adding the dimensions region into the color. So we have seen the colors in it, and the region central represent the blue color, and the east represent the yellow color, and south represent the red color, and the west represents the blue color. Now right clicking on the sum cells, it displays some options. Now clicking on the quick table calculation, select the rank. Now repeat the same procedure for the duplicate cells. Clicking on the cells duplicate, it shows some options. Clicking on the quick table calculation, select the rank. And then again right clicking on the cells, clicking on the compute using and select the region. By selecting the region, it is specific to the particular region, that is central, east, south and west. And then repeat the same procedure for the duplicate cells to get the correct chart by clicking on the compute using the region. So it generates the bump charts. To get the entire view, it's in the standard view. To get the entire view, click the enter view. So this is the bump chart we have generated in the Tableau public. Thanks for watching.